Ever wonder if your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's fingerprint scanner is working perfectly? There's a built-in way to check it. No third-party apps needed. To do so, go to Setting. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Device Care. Tap Device Care. Scroll down the screen. Under Additional Care section, type Diagnostic. Then tap Phone Diagnostic to open the full list of tests. Look for the fingerprint recognition icon and then tap it. If this is your first time, the test will start immediately. However, if you have already tested it before, tap Test again. Place one of your registered fingers on the fingerprint scanner. When your phone recognizes your fingerprint correctly, you will see normal as the result, which means your scanner is in good shape. This is especially useful if your fingerprint unlock feels slower than usual or after changing your screen protector, so you can confirm the scanner is still working accurately. Okay, thank you for watching. Please hit to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.